Hi friends, I am Tausif Ahmed with you one of the most important and useful topic in mathematics, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry is derived from a Greek word trigon metron. In English, tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measure. So it is nothing but measuring three sides. So simple. So it is study of geometric figures have which have three angles. Now we will try to connect this definition with sides and angles. We have to remember this definition only. Trigonometry is study of relationship between sides and angles. Here we will try to see why sides and angles we are usually defining trigonometry. Consider a man is standing and looking towards the top of the tower. This is tower and he is looking at this point. Now he tries to find out the height of tower. But without actual measuring, is he able to find out the height of tower? Yes, he is able to find out the height of tower. Here, when we connect to this line, now you can see this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. And with the help of trigonometry, we are always able to find the height of tower actually without measuring the height of tower. That is the use of this trigonometry. Now we will come to the next definition, which is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios is nothing but the, this basically ratios of the sides of right triangle with respect to its angles. That is, if we have a right triangle like that, usually we will take any right triangle. There is no confusion regarding this. Now, here we will try to relate the ratios. Here, this is 90-degree angle and these are acute angles. Most obviously, considering this is A, B, and C. Now, you can take this theta and this pi angle. Anything, and this is 90, we know. Now, order to understand what is the ratios of, what is the relationship between the angles and the ratios of the sides. Basically, consider the angle theta. Now, the side opposite, the angle theta is nothing but it is BC. Here we call this BC as the perpendicular side. We name this angle nothing but perpendicular. You have to just remember this. Similarly, side opposite to the angle which is 90-degree, that is C here, which is equal to 90-degree. That means in any triangle, whatever, whenever we talk about a right triangle, any side which is opposite to the 90-degree angle, that is in this case here AB, we call this nothing but it is hypotenuse. And there is the one side remaining which is adjacent to this angle theta, which is AC, and we call this side as base. So basically we have to remember these three. Now friends, in order to understand this trigonometric ratios, we will first learn the name of the sides of the in right angle triangle, by which name we call different sides. Now here consider angle theta, which is supposed to be angle A. If this is theta angle we are talking about, which is in our consideration. Now, whenever we talk of this angle, clearly, what is the name of this side BC then? That is, here it is the side which is opposite to this angle, that is side opposite to theta. We call this side as perpendicular. So side opposite to the angle theta is denoted by perpendicular. Now, furthermore, there is another side which is adjacent to this theta, that is side adjacent to angle theta. We call this side as base side. So here it is AB is base. That is BC, AB. These are the two sides which whose name are derived from this theta, which was our angle in concentration. Now there is the third side, which is obviously one of the largest side of the three sides, and this side is opposite to this 90-degree sided angle, that is angle B. Now any side which is opposite to 90-degree, that is opposite to an angle which is 90-degree, we call this as hypotenuse. And I have written here, so this side is hypotenuse. Now there is no confusion regarding this. If we were talking about angle C, then the names will shift like that. If I consider like that, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now this side AC is hypotenuse always. If I am talking about the angle C, that is, now we are in consideration of angle C. We are in the interest of angle C to find out the sides, ratio of sides. Then side opposite to angle C will be considered as perpendicular side, and side adjacent to this angle C will be base. So basically we are treating that side perpendicular which is opposite to the angle theta, which is in our consideration, and similar way adjacent to this angle, that angle, this side we treat as base side. So it is very easy. Now we will try to come to this trigonometric ratios. Why, by default we call these trigonometric ratios, what we meant by that.